Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about project management technology, the tools that helps us plan, track and finish work on times. Even students and small teams can use these tools to work smarter and faster. Let's see some examples. What is project management? Project management means organizing work so that everything is done step by step. It helps us finish a project on times with good quality and without stress. Technologies makes this very easy using software and mobile apps. Project management tools. There are many simple tools we can use. Some examples are Trello, Asana, Notion, and ClickUp. In these apps, you can make a list of tasks and deadlines and see progress easily. It helps you stay organized and never forget your work. AI and automation. Today, artificial intelligence helps in project management too. AI can remind you of deadlines, helps you plan your times, and even suggest a better way to do your work. It's like having a smart helper on your computer. Cloud and teamwork. With cloud based apps, many people can work together from different places. For example, your friends or team members can update tasks at the same times. It saves times and keeps everyone connected. Why it's important? Project management technology saves times, reduces mistakes, and helps teams communicate better. Even beginner can use it for school project or group works. You just need to start using one simple apps and learn step by step. So friends, project management technology is not just for big companies. It's for everyone. Start small, try one tool and you will see how easy it make your work. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for everyone.